Mr. Cornelius Taylor is accused of theft by shoplifting from April 14th, 2024, case 24 CR 2989E. Mr. Taylor, you've been advised of your right to remain silent, and your attorney is Mr. Paul Bartel. With regards to this case, well, I've already heard Ms. McCarkey give me a rather lengthy criminal history record, especially involving theft of various matters. I don't think, given his multiple, how old is he? My gosh, he's much younger than I am. I don't think he got the message that one cannot steal.
Yes, I do, madam. I got the message. Trust me. I do.
No, I don't trust you. Your 88 arrest cycles tells me I cannot trust you.
Have problems over at your place, except when you're not cutting the grass regularly. That gets. I hear about that from the grapevine. Okay, well, so on Zane Ball, what do I do? We got to have another event. We're going to set it for next week, but this dismissed and it gets wiped off the docket.
Yes, sir.
Charles Johnson.
Your Honor, he's present. He's taking him.
Was that him?
Yes.
Maybe.
2-week reset since now that he's in custody.
Well, okay, they took him in custody. Then, Tommy, what's he in custody for?
Yeah, misdemeanor warrant for assault, Judge.
Okay, so well, he's going to make that bond in a flash, and that doesn't get us anywhere. The point is this is a GPS charging issue,
Yes, Your Honor.
right? Well, that needs to get resolved
Yes, sir.
because otherwise he's just going to go out and then come back in, and we'll get him in here, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Judge, you want me to print out the information on the misdemeanor warrant?
I don't know what is when it comes to that sort of thing. I don't know what the proper procedure is for clearing out data, and I'm a little fuzzy on responsibilities there. I add data. I never take data out. That is.
Yes, sir. I'm a hoarder.
For data?
I work for data. Oh, cool. That was close. Really close.
There he is. My God. You got your favorite going to church jersey? Let me ask you this. I don't even know what that means. VLIEG. What is that? Is that a band or a group or something?
Brand a girl name.
Sir? It's a
brand, a girl name. Like,
oh, that's her brand. And she made the name up. How do you pronounce it? Vleague?
Be loud. I don't even know.
That's one. I guess that's one choice to make come into court. It wouldn't have been mine. Would you wear that to church though?
No, sir.
Why not?
Like, I just put something on.
But you wouldn't wear that to church. I wouldn't.
Exactly. Yeah.
I mean, with that face on it and all, is that? I mean, you think that it honors our Creator and going to church? No. Well, now we're not church, but this is the Constitution, and this is honorable things that we deal with here. You know, rights of man and privileges and working together so that we all can be successful. Anyway, you have a misdemeanor charge here, and but did you get a copy of this? We can make a copy for you.
Yeah, I'll print out a copy.
And it states that on or about May 5th, that would have been last month. it says you intentionally or knowingly caused bodily injury to William Shaver by striking him about the head and body with your hands. And that was resulting in a Class A misdemeanor of assault, which carries with it up to 1 year in the county jail. Now, that's one thing. Here, you can give that to me and I'll just keep this. And I'll give that copy to the attorney. And so, Mr. Lane, we had some issues on dead batteries here, and I'm going to give you copies
He's got him,
I'll
Judge, right
make
there.
copies for him.
I do you.
because this is pages and pages and pages, 4 pages of dead batteries. And that's the problem, is that you are ordered to have a GPS device, and the inference, of course, goes with that obligation is it must be charged, or else it doesn't do anybody any good. And we don't have to say you keep it charged, because that goes without saying. But anything you want to say about the dead battery over and over again? I've got 2, 4, 6, 15, 20, 26, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. 38 dead battery notices over a period of time from February 1st to 5/21, May 21st. That's
When's
what I have.
when's the new offense date, Judge, on the complaint you have?
May 5th. And so what you have too is you've got a charge filed and a couple of things. Number one, you have to have the GPS, and it has to be charged properly, which it hasn't been over a span of months. About 3 months. And so we're not keeping an eye on you. And then here on May 5th, this states you committed this new offensive assault.
And there's a dead battery notification for the majority of that day, Judge, it looks
And
like.
you've got a dead battery on 5/2 and a dead battery on 5/6.
Start.
Well, the problem is that those are 2 obligations. Number one, do not commit an offense is one condition of bond. Another one is you have to keep the GPS device charged, which you have not. And so it makes me sticking my neck out to allow you to be on a release has resulted in, we don't know where you are, number one, on these dates where the dead battery is. And then number 2, the DA's office has filed a new criminal charge on you during this period of time. All right, will state want to say anything?
Do we know what his bond is currently, Judge?
250,000.
I mean, he can't comply with his bond conditions. He's committed a new offense and he won't keep his monitor charged.
What
And
this is a waste of money.
right. And
It's a waste of bond money.
One time I ain't have my charge in February. She knew about it. When the last time I came back to court, you told me. I mean, we talked about it. I'm like,
I didn't say anything about you can commit a new crime.
No.
And you got an assault now that the DA's office has filed just from the other day.
Yeah, I don't even know
Anything
what
you
to
want to
do.
add, Mr. Lane?
Well, Your Honor, we're just finding out about.
Here, you're not gonna have, you're impromptu here. I'm gonna set this for a bond hearing later this week. But your bond is revoked. You're in custody.
Want to hold him out of no bond?
Yeah, a no bond until I can hear everybody's side of this story, and so I can make an educated choice, but all you're doing is making a mess on my watch. When do you want to set this thing?
We could have a hearing on Friday, Mr. Lane.
Friday morning? You gonna-
Yes, or Monday morning, if we could do that. I think we're gonna be here on for the file.
I can do Thursday. Do you want to do Thursday?
How about next Monday?
We-
Oh, that's right, that day, yeah, I'm out. Let's try to get this heard this week, though.
Friday.
Friday, we'll set it for Friday.
It's Mr. Ham's case, but I'll kind of work things
Okay.
up for him while in his stay.
Anything else?
Can I get some more
That's all.
information on the other case?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be your attorney until you hire me.
I'm
If I can
happy
get
to
you.
print out a copy of the information.
Wait, you have a copy of the information?
I do, Your Honor, and I can get the
I'm
PCs.
Right.
All you're doing is digging a hole. And digging faster. You need to get out of the hole and quit digging. Get out of the hole. Trinity Elliott,
Hey,